We're inside the compound of the Black Museum here in Chiang Rai. So you have practically all structures here, combination of black and wooden. No? Medyo umuulan lang. Let's see dito. Silip. Kita nyo, ang laki ng mga kuwan nito, oh. Oh. Ang papayat pero ang lalaki. We'll take picture dyan. Mamaya. Oh, daming skin ng ano to. These are crocodile skin. There's a cat here. How are you, cat? Bawal pumasok. So, lagay lang natin yung mga... How are you? How are you? Okay. And they have giant bamboos there, oh. The giant bamboos here. Dapat they should have black bamboos here. But they have giant bamboos. Ito. Kunan natin ang picture. The giant bamboos of Chiang Rai. These are part of yung compound nila here. Practically all structures are... Oh, they have coffee here. Oh, coffee? Ice cream only, no coffee?
No coffee.
Wow, black charcoal ice cream. It's curious. We'll try that one. Oh, pwede umupo dito. Mamaya. Okay. Ito yung likod, no? Yung sprawling structure. Okay, we'll buy ice cream mamaya. Black charcoal ice cream.